This is a quick video of my attempts to add video playback to the PicFrame Python application. The first image is a JPEG that is shown by default if no images have been selected, and I've created a video version of this to use for doing these tests. It's 1200 by 720 pixels, and I have a reduced resolution one at 600 by 360 pixels. You can see on the Raspberry Pi 3 at full resolution there are quite a lot of skipped frames. At the lower resolution, the Raspberry Pi is nearly managing to keep up with the video, only a few skipped frames, and you'll see with the static image fading from one to the next. It works perfectly well. The Raspberry Pi 4 can very nearly keep the FFmpeg streaming and Python OpenGL rendering in time with the video, maybe just a few skipped frames. The Raspberry Pi 5 has plenty of capacity and can easily keep up with the video speed of 24 frames per second, and it could easily manage to render a 1920 by 1800 format video probably. At the moment these changes are only in a development branch on PicFrame called Video, and I'll put the link below. And it doesn't really require any changes to Pi3D. You just have to update the texture buffer in the main looping program, which is in PicFrame Viewer Display. The critical part is getting the FFmpeg streaming to run in a separate process that's not going to interfere with the video loop of the picture frame.